All right, well, this is a part of the orientation package that we're trying to do. And if you're watching this, you are a mentor. You could be an academic mentor, you might be a vocational mentor, or you might be a life mentor. And the purpose of this video is to help you to understand Pathwright, what your student will be using as their LMS or learning management system. And it will help you to understand how you can interact or understand what it is that they are learning. And so I want to introduce you to Pathwright, and then I want to show you the features that are available to you to track your student as they go through their journey of discipleship and as you journey with them. So I'm going to share I'm going to actually help you to get a picture of Pathwright by putting it on the screen that you're going to be looking at. And I will be using one of the students in particular to highlight some of the things you can be aware of. One is if you look right here on the right side, you've got these two circles. Those are the mentor team. She should actually have a third circle that's missing right now, and that is her third mentor. And then if you click on this, you'll begin to see that will highlight who the mentors are. You've got myself as her academic mentor, then you have this individual as her vocational mentor. She works with her. And then there's another woman that she has as a part of her mentor team, which is her life mentor. And she right now is not on this, but she will be. And so this is how you can see who the other mentors are. It gives you an understanding of who the person is that is being mentored. Okay. Then the next thing you want to be able to do is you want to move from this. So I'm trying to get rid of this. Here we go. And we're going to see if you click on her face, then what it'll do is it'll pull up this window. And there you're going to see there's three aspects to the information that's available to you. These are the paths or the learning experiences. And when you look at that, you can see that it tells you the amount of progress. So for example, if we look at starting well, and you can see that bar, it's gone almost all the way to the end. If we click on that, it pulls up and says she's 96% complete. It then will walk you through everything that she has done. You can see right here, and it will just walk you through my story, all that. And then at the very end, it'll show you what she hasn't done. So that will give you a sense of you're trying to figure out, well, what in the world is this thing called starting well, and what does it include? So that's one aspect of it. And then another aspect, when you look at this, if you go back to these tabs that we were looking at earlier, which I want to get to. So let's go back, right? And when we go back and we look at these tabs, we begin to see here, I want to actually pull this up so we get back to where she was. But you're going to see there's not only are there paths, but there's these things called activities, and then there's a review section. And so the activities section is what I want to introduce you to next. The activity will tell you, not only has the first one showed you how far she's gone, but this will tell you the things she's working on, things that need to be checked. And that if you also look here, it says how much time she spent in each of those steps. And so that will become important to you if you're trying to say, well, if she's struggling with something, well, I can just look at the amount of time, or has she just really breezed through it and I don't see much of a problem? Maybe she's just using this as a checklist, which you don't want to do. So it just gives you information, metrics about what she is experiencing, what things she's learning, how long she's spending on it. And then finally, there's a review section that when she is finished with something, you'll see that this is now completed and it's pending review. And so all of these kind of tools are available to you as the mentor. And it's important that you are able to become oriented with that. Your student will help you. We will have others who will walk you through this process. But that gives you just a little introduction that when you want to understand Pathwright and you want to know how to go, you'll be a part of that system, your student's a part of that system, and you'll be able to see where they are in the process, how much time they've been spending, and they will have things that they might submit through Pathwright, and you'll be made aware of those. So as a mentor, we want to thank you for being a part of their journey of discipleship, and this is one of the tools that they will use in that journey. So thank you.